Hej, vi är Mando och Diao. Vi skulle kunna sjunga en låt om ett brustet hjärta. Ett brustet hjärta från Kvarnsveden. Jag behöver hjälpa Björn Dixgård. Allihop, Björn Dixgård.
In the way she said I hate you cause you breathe. It's not the first time that I heard it, but this one's out of reach. I got my mind set on destruction, and if it would strike me hard, well, you remember me. Oh, it's in the way you set your life on your alarm, and if the snooze that you will waste your life. Expect us to throw away your hopes and dream. The night it never ends, you stay forever. Well, the dark leaves you up inside. That's when I smiled and shed a tear and said, when will you go away? She said, of course you're not entitled to ask those things today. Don't let the soul get in your eye. There were sweet memories in the corner of my mind. They were telling me to throw up all the things that I wanna hide. That we're out in fun in the daytime, and we'll chase the stars in the nighttime, and we'll catch the sun. Some kind of Puerto Rican music. We would ain't good. We would just move along too. So if you're driving in your car and there's a song on radio on, well, I know that it sounds silly cause you don't ever call. I just read it in a book that these things happen in the fictional world. That's when I smiled and shed a tear and said, when will you go away? She said, in case you're not entitled to ask those things today. Don't let the soul get in your eye, don't let the ghost get in your heart. There were sweet memories in the corner of my mind. They were telling me to throw up all the things